Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. So today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 3 of class 10, which is linear equation, pair of linear equations in two variables. We will discuss pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So the title is too much long. It is very difficult to understand. So for the understanding of this title, we will break this title. So first we consider the word linear. Linear equations. So first is linear. So we have discussed different types of polynomials based on their degree. Linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials. So let's start with the linear polynomial of variable x. So we can represent polynomial of variable x. Polynomial of only one variable. Here two variables are there. We are considering one linear polynomial of variable x. Standard form of linear polynomial of variable x was ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. That we have discussed in our standard 8. We have studied linear equation in one variable in our standard 8. So this is one linear polynomial where a and b are real numbers and x is the variable. So here we can say that a is not equal to 0 and a and b both are real numbers. A and b both are real numbers. Clear? So this is one linear polynomial. For example, also we can compare this equation linear polynomial with 0. So if we compare this linear polynomial with 0, so now it becomes linear equation. Comparing polynomial with 0, we are getting linear equation, and this is a linear equation in one variable. Up to now, we have started from the basic mathematical quantities. Two types of mathematical quantities was there, constants and variables. Then we have defined the terms, then we have defined algebraic expression, then we have defined the polynomials. So that polynomial you have to consider over. This is one linear polynomial of variable x. By comparing this polynomial with 0, we are getting one linear equation in one variable. That one variable is nothing but the x. So this is one linear equation in one variable. We can also write linear equation in two variables. So what is the condition for the linear? For the linear equation, the degree of variable must be 1. So your variable is x, whose degree is 1. So this is one linear equation. But this linear equation is equation of only one variable. In this chapter, we have to study linear equations in two variables. So now, we can write this equation by using two variables. So suppose another variable is y, it's ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. These are the real numbers, and also condition was that a and b should not be 0 simultaneously. What is the condition? The coefficients of this variable x and y should not be 0, or you can say must not be 0 simultaneously. That means एक साथ में a and b दोनों की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. So it is represented by a square plus b square is not equal to 0. So what is the significance of this a square plus b square not equal to 0? Where a and b are the coefficients of these variables x and y. These are the two variables of this linear equation. This is a linear equation in two variables. Two variables are x and y, and the coefficients are a and b. So these both coefficients must not be 0 simultaneously. एक साथ में दोनों की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. That condition is mathematically represented by a square plus b square not equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. So This we have studied in our standard 9. This is the concept of standard 8. This we have studied in our standard 9. This is linear equation in two variables. We have discussed that in linear equation in two variables, infinitely solutions are there. We also drawn the graph of this linear equation. Clear? So here, condition is A and B both must not be equal to 0. For example, if we take A equal to 0, B equal to 0 and C equal to suppose 3, then what is the linear equation in two variables? It will be 0x plus 0y plus C. So it's a 3 equal to 0. So 3 equal to 0 for A and B equal to 0. This is the false statement. This is the false statement. This is not possible. And that's why A and B should not be 0 simultaneously. दोनों में से कोई एक 0 होगा तो चलेगा. Then it will be linear equation in one variable. Clear? So this was the concept of standard 9. At that time we have discussed the graph of this linear equation in two variable is a straight line. Let us now consider one linear equation in two variable, which is 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is one linear equation in two variables. This is linear equation. This is one linear equation in two variables. Two variables are x and y. Their power is 1. So this is one linear equation in two variables. If we draw the graph of this linear equation, the graph of this linear equation will be a straight line. The graph of this linear equation will be straight line. Done? And we can find the solution of this linear equation. We will also discuss the method to find the solution of this linear equation. So what is the solution of this linear equation? Solution of linear equation in two variable is nothing but the values of x and y. The values of x and y. The values of x and y means these two variables. The values of two variables. The values of two variables x and y, which satisfy our given equation. The values of these two variables x and y which satisfy our given equation is called the solution of this linear equation. And we have discussed that, we have already studied that there are infinite solutions of this linear equation in two variables. So we are getting infinite solution. There will be infinite solutions for this linear equation in two variable. हम किसी भी linear equation in two variable का solution निकालेंगे तो हमारे पास एक x और y की infinite values होंगी. कितनी values होंगी? We are having infinite values of this both variable which can satisfy this equation. That means we are getting the infinite solutions for any linear equation in two variables. For any linear equation in two variables, condition is value of a and b should not be 0 simultaneously. This is the condition. Clear? So let's now discuss how to find the solution of this linear equation analytically and how to represent the solution graphically. So we are trying to find the graph for this 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 equation. So let us now consider our given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. We have to draw the graph of this linear equation. This graph of linear equation will be a straight line. It will be a straight line. So what was the procedure in our 9th standard to find the graph of this linear equation two variable? You have to find the values of coordinates x and y. This x and y will be worked as a coordinates in our Cartesian plane. So for that we are considering the value of x. So if we take x equal to 0, put the value of x according to find the value of y. So if we are taking x equal to 0, this equation will be converted into 3y equal to 6. And therefore we are getting y equal to 2. So for x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to 2. So if we are putting x equal to 3, then we are getting this equation as a 6 minus 6 plus 3y equal to 0, which implies we are getting y equal to 0. So these are the two values of x and y. Now for the next step, you have to draw the coordinate box. Table. The table is known as coordinate box. You have to draw one coordinate box. So that is consists of values of x and y. So this is our coordinate box. To draw any graph of a straight line, minimum two values on a graph are required. So here you find the two values of the linear equation in two variables. So when x equal to 0, value of y is 2, and when x equal to 3, value of y is 0. This value of x that you have to consider. Put x equal to 0 over here. So it's a 3y equal to 6, y equal to 2. Put x equal to 3 here. So it's a 6 minus 6, 0, so y equal to 0. These are the corresponding values of y with respect to x. Now we have to locate these values in our graph. So we are getting the graph of our linear equation. So to draw the graph, we require one graph paper. So you have to draw this graph in your graph paper. So from this coordinate, we can see that our x coordinate change from 0 to 3 and y coordinate from 0 to 2. So you have to locate the points up to 4 on x axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum 4 values are required. This is our x axis and this is our y axis. Here on this side it's a minus 1, minus 2. Here minus y plus y. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now locate these points on Cartesian plane. So when x is 0, y is 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. So this point. So coordinates are 0, 2. Another point is x is 3, y 0. So x 3, y 0. So this point is 3, 0. So getting these 2 points, join these 2 points by using scale. Scale लेके आपको इसको join कर देना है. So here we are getting one straight line. This straight line is the graph of equation. Which equation? So here we write the equation 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Here we can see that the 2 points 0, 2 and 3, 0 lies on this graph. So these 2 points lies on the graph. That means these 2 points are the solution of this linear equation in two variable. And this is the line. So on this line infinite points are there. So infinite points lies on this line, which means infinite solutions. This linear equation in two variable has infinite solution. Infinite points lies on the graph of given equation. So we can say that this linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Clear? So this is how you can find the solution of linear equation in two variable, and how can you find the graph of linear equation in two variable. So this we have studied in our 9th standard. In our 10th standard topic is linear equation in two variable, but it's a pair of linear equation in two variables. So what is the meaning of pair of linear equation in two variables? We are having the pair of these two linear equations. Clear? So for that we have to consider two linear equations in two variables. So that will be the pair of linear equation in two variables. So let me write over here. So pair of linear equation in two variables will be generally in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here I have to mention this a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. Clear? They are the real numbers, and value of the coefficients must not be equal to 0. simultaneously. So condition for the first equation is a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and condition for the second equation a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. These coefficients of x and y must not be 0 simultaneously. So it's a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. So this is now again considered as a pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. One linear equation graph is a straight line. For the two linear equations, we are getting the two lines. If we draw the graph of this pair of linear equations in two variables in a single graph paper, we will get the two lines for the two equations. Two straight lines for the two equations. Clear, students? So pause the video to note it down. Now, the next topic is graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. How can we represent linear equation in two variables graphically? So we have discussed that linear equation in two variables are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and you have to write the condition a1 and b1 should not be 0 simultaneously. So it's a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. And the second linear equation in two variables is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, and the condition for this one is a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0, and also this a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are real numbers. So here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are real numbers. These are the real numbers, and our two variables are x and y. So this is linear equations in two variables. Clear, students? Also we discussed that if we draw the graph of this linear equation in two variables, it will give straight line. So here two linear equations are there, pair of linear equations are there. So we are getting the two lines L1 and L2. Let L1 is the graph of the equation 1 and L2 is the graph of equation 2. Both this L1 and L2 will be the straight line. So if we consider the number of possibilities for this graph of the linear equation two variables, so number of possibilities for two lines that we also discussed in our standard 9. So if we draw two lines in a plane, so we are getting two lines which are intersecting lines. These are the intersecting lines. Two lines can be intersecting point, that means intersecting each other at point suppose P. Second case, two lines can be parallel line. Suppose this is line L1, this is line L2. So these two lines are known as parallel line. Parallel line means two lines are not intersecting each other. If two lines are not intersecting each other in a same plane, then both lines will be a parallel lines. So no common point is there. And third condition is that suppose we are having line L1, and if we draw the graph of second line L2, we are getting the same line L2. So on the line L1, we are getting the same line L2. So these two lines are known as coincide. Coincide lines. Clear? So for any pair of two lines, these three possibilities are there. They can intersect each other at one point. They will not intersect each other. That means they are parallel lines, or lines are coincide lines. Coincide line means one line lies over the another line. So here you can see that what is the solution of linear equation in two variables? Solution of linear equation in two variables is the point which lies on a line. What is the solution of linear equation in a pair of linear equation in two variables? That means a point which is common in between two lines. So here we can say that this point P is the point which lies on line L1 as well as on line L2. Point P is the common point between line L1 and L2. So P is the solution. So here number of points are 1. So here we can say that number of solutions of this intersecting line is 1. Only one solution is there between this pair of linear equation whose graph is intersecting lines. For example, if you are having pair of linear equation whose graph is two parallel lines, so here no common point is there. So number of solutions here 0. So number of solutions for the pair of linear equations whose graph is two parallel lines is 0. So here we can say that no solution of this pair of linear equation in two variables. For example, if you are getting the graph like this, that means one graph of one line over the another line. So here we can say that number of common points. So here all the lines are common. So infinite points lies on this line. So here number of solutions are infinite. So this type of case we are getting infinite number of solutions for this given pair of linear equation in two variables. So for any pair of linear equation, it can be one solution, it can be no solution, or it can be an infinite solution. Done? So question is, how can we represent graphically? How can we represent the pair of linear equations graphically? That we have to discuss. How to represent only one linear equation in two variables? That we have discussed in our 9th standard. And also we have discussed previously in this lecture. Clear? So in short, we have to draw the graph of these two linear equations on a single graph paper. So for that, let us now consider example number 1. In example number 1, we are given the equations. So equations are, equation for line L1 is given, which is x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y. Equation for line L2, 3x plus 4y equal to 20. 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So this is the pair of linear equation in two variables. This is given now. We have to represent this system of linear equation, pair of linear equation in two variables graphically. In short, we have to draw the graph of this both the equation in a same graph paper. So we start with the first equation L1, so which is nothing but the x minus 2y equal to 0. So what you have to do? First you have to find the values of x and y. So first we are considering x equal to 0. So if you are taking x equal to 0, for this value of x, we are getting y equal to 0. If you are taking x equal to 2, then the value of corresponding y will be equal to 1. Done? So here, two values of these equations are known. Then draw the coordinate table. Coordinate table for the line L1. This is x, this is y. For value of x equal to 0, we are getting value of y 0. For value of x equal to 2, we are getting value of y which is equal to 1. So this is coordinate table for line L1. Done? Now we have to find the coordinate table for line L2. So line L2 is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So here we are taking the values of y. Suppose if we are taking y equal to 5. So y equal to 5, we are getting the value of x, which is equal to 5 4 is 20 minus 20 is 0. If you are taking value of y, which is equal to suppose 2, so it's a 4 is a 12, 20 minus 12. So sorry, 4 2s are 8, 20 minus 8, 12, 3 2s are 12. So we are getting x equal to 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 8 is 0. So this is the solution for linear equation. Coordinate table. So this is x, this is y. For x equal to 0, we are getting value 5. For x, value of y is 2. Done? Now we have to draw the graph of these two equations. So value of x is varying from 0 to 4 and y is varying from 0 to 5. So we have to draw one graph like this. This is x, this is y, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. This is our Cartesian plane. Now represent this point on a graph. First one is in 0, 0. So this one is 0, 0. The second point is x2, y1. x2, y1. So join these 2 points. So we get the graph of the first equation, which is line L1, which is nothing but the x minus 2y equal to 0. Graph of the first line. For second line, coordinates are x0, y5. x0, y5. This point 0, 5 and x4, y2. x4, y2. Join these 2 points. Clear, friends? So this is the graph of line L2. Equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So this is just graphical representation of the pair of linear equations in 2 variables. From this graphical representation, you can find the solution of this 2 given equation. What is the solution? Solution is nothing but the coordinates of this intersection point. Right? If you have drawn this graph by using the graph paper, then you will give the exact answer of this solution, exact coordinates of this intersection point. But it is the rough diagram, so we can't find the exact coordinates of this intersection point. Clear, friends? So this is just for the graphical representation of any pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Clear? So pause the video to note it down.